Okay, so we're asked, here's a track. Right? Track looks like this. We're asked to assume that these parts of the track are a semicircle. I don't know if they are or not. Somebody that's more of an expert on track could tell me. But that's at least an approximation. So the radius in the inside track, there's usually a bunch of lanes here, like 7 or 8 lanes, I think, depending on the track. But here's a lane. So the radius of the inside track is approximately 32 meters. So from here to here, it's 32 meters. So you got an inside track coming over here too. Obviously you want to be on that inside track, right? The radius on the outside track is approximately 40 meters. So going out, here, well, that's not really a radius. So this longer distance is 40 meters, they said. So how many additional meters does a person run 10 laps on the outside track as the person who runs 10 laps on the inside track? So this part right here is usually 100 meters, but that part doesn't really matter because they're both running the same straight distances, right? To find out how many additional meters a person runs on the outside compared to the inside, we just need to worry about the semicircles. And so for one semicircle, this distance is the circumference of a semicircle. The circumference is the distance around a circle, okay? So the circumference of a semicircle, you just cut a circle in half. So the circumference of a circle is 2 times pi times the radius, where pi is just 3.141 blah, 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 blah. Okay, but we're dealing with a semicircle, so we want to cut this in half. The circumference of the semicircle is just pi times r. So the inside track is pi times 32. And if you use your calculator to approximate that, pi times 32, that's 100.53 meters. The outside is pi times the radius they said is 40. Remember, this is a semicircle. So 40 times pi is 125.66. These are meters. Okay, so this is about 100 meters. This is 125.66 meters. And so we're doing 10 laps, so this is 1 lap, right? So we do these twice per lap, so the total inside on the curves is 100.53 for one curve, 2 curves per lap for 10 laps. So this is 2,100.6 meters according to the numbers we're giving. And the total outside, it's 125.66 meters. We do that 2 times per lap, once here, and we do that for 10 meters. And again, remember, we're not doing anything with these because they're both running the same amount. So we're just dealing with the lengths of the curve. If you knew those distances, you could certainly add them in, but it's just adding more work to yourself. Oops, that's not dollars. Okay, so total, it looks like the outside track is about 502 meters more.